Hello kids, welcome back. So up to now we have completed division by repeated subtraction, division by grouping the number in equal shares, and in our previous video we have done division by multiplication fact and division fact. This also we have completed in our previous video. Now today we will start with properties of division. Today we will start with properties of division. Okay. Okay now. So properties of division. Like we have done properties of addition, properties of subtraction, properties of multiplication. Now today we will be doing properties of division. Okay. Today we will do properties of division. So the first property of division states that if we divide a number by 1, the quotient is the number itself. I am reading it again. If we divide a number by 1, the quotient is the number itself. That means whenever we will divide a number with 1, we will get the answer as the number itself. Whenever we will divide a number with 1, we will get the answer as the number itself. Quotient means this answer that we will get by dividing. Now, let us see the example. So, the first example states that 7542 divided by 1. 7542 divided by 1 will give us 7542. Why? Because we have just read that whenever we will divide a given number by 1, we will get the answer as the number itself. Now again, the next 372. So whenever we will divide 372 by 1, we will get the answer as the number itself. Okay. Now moving toward the next property. Our next property states that if we divide a number by the number itself, the quotient is 1. So this property is the opposite property of this one. It states that whenever we will divide a given number with the number itself, we will get the answer as 1. Let us take a smaller number to understand this in a more better way. So 5 divided by 5, how much we will get? 5 divided by 5, we will get 1. How? Okay, tell me how many time you will get, in how many time in 5's table you will get 5? 5 ones are 5, है ना? So that's why whenever you will divide a given number with the number itself, you will get 1 as your answer. You will always get 1 as your answer. Now here are some examples. 275 divided by 275, we will get 1. 105 divided with 105, what we will get? We will get 1. Okay. Now 3. division of a number by 0 is meaningless. That whenever we will divide a given number by 0, we will not get any answer. The answer will be meaningless. Okay. We cannot solve a question like this. We will get nothing here. No meaning. Okay. But this you will study in your senior classes. Now next question. Next. Property 4. 0 divided by a number gives 0 as the quotient. Acha. Now whenever we will divide a given number with 0, whenever we will divide a number with 0, what we will get? Suppose we have to divide 0 with 2, what we will get? Whenever we have to divide 0 with 2, we will get 0 here. Okay. Now, as we have completed the properties of division, let us make a quick recall. Now, you guys will tell the answer. Tell me what answer I will get here. Tell me. 27 divided by 1, what I will get here? So, based on our first property, any number divided by 1 will give the answer number itself, है ना? So, we will get 27 as our answer. Now, what we will get here? 35 divided by 35. Tell me what we will get here. 35 divided by 35. Divided by 35, we will get 1. Whenever we will divide a given number with a number itself, we will get 1 as the answer. Now, what we will get for this question? Tell me, kids. What we will get for this question? So, we have read this, that whenever we will divide a number with 0, we will get the answer as no meaning. No answer we will get. है ना? अच्छा. Now, as we have completed properties of division, let us do division of a 3-digit number by 1 digit without remainder, without leaving remainder. Okay, let us start. Now, first of all, let us recall few simple things. Okay, kid, tell me, if I have to divide 25 with 5, how much I will get? How I am going to do this? Now, one thing. Always start division with leftmost side. We always start division from leftmost side. Okay, keep this in your mind that we always have to start division from the leftmost side. Okay. Now, 25 divided by 5. See, So first we will start with leftmost side. Which digit is there? 2 is there. So what we will do? We will compare the number. तो बताओ 2 5 से ग्रेटर है या स्मॉलर है? 2 5 से ग्रेटर है या स्मॉलर है? So 2 5 से स्मॉलर है. That means 5 के टेबल में 2 तो नहीं आएगा. Now what we will do? We will take this number as a whole 25. Now tell me whether 5 के टेबल में 25 आएगा. Let us see. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. Good. So we have got 5 fives are 25. That means 5 के टेबल में 25 कितनी बार में आएगा? 5 के टेबल में 25 we will get in 5 times, है ना? So we will write 5 here. And 5 fives are 25. So 25 के नीचे we will write 25. Now what we will do? We will subtract. As we know, division is what? Division is repeated subtraction. So we will subtract. Now 5 minus 5 will give us 0. 2 minus 2 will give us 0. Okay. So our answer is 5. Our remainder is 0. 5 is our divisor and 25 is our dividend. Okay. Okay, now let us take an example 48. Now what we have to do? We have to divide 48 with 2. What we will do? We will start from leftmost side. Okay. We will start from leftmost side. So which number is there at leftmost side? 4 is there. Now take kids, 2 के टेबल में 4 आता है क्या? Tell me. Do we get 4 in 2's table? Yes. We get 4 in 2's table in 2 times. 2 2's are 4. So we will write 2 here. Now 2 2's are 4. Now 4 minus 4 we will get 4 minus 4 we will get 0. Now what we will do? We will carry down 8. We will write 8 here. Now do we get 8 in 2's table? Think about it. क्या 2 के टेबल में 8 आता है? Do we get 8 in 2's table? Yes. 2 4's are 8. 8 minus 8 cross. So our answer is 24 and our quotient is 0. Okay. Now kids, हमने क्या किया? सबसे पहले we will start from leftmost side. हमने 2 को 4 से कंपेयर किया. हमें पता चला 2 के टेबल में 4 आता है 2 टाइम्स में. फिर हमने 2 2's are 4 निकाला और 4 के नीचे 4 लिख के माइनस कर दिया, सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया. अभी तो हमारे पास 8 बचा था. फिर हमने 8 को कैरी डाउन किया एंड देन 2 4's are 8. फिर 8 को 8 से सब्ट्रैक्ट किया, वी विल गेट 0. Okay, let us take one more example. 36 divided by 3. 36 divided by 3. What we will do? We will start from leftmost side. 3. क्या 3 के टेबल में 3 आता है? देखो, सबसे पहले what we will do? We will compare. 3 3 से बड़ा है, 3 3 इक्वल है या 3 3 से छोटा है? बेटा 3 and 3, these both numbers are equal. So as these both numbers are equal, now we will move toward our next step, where we will find out whether we get 3 in 3's table or not. So yes, 3 into 1 we will get 3. 3 ones are 3. So we will write 1 here. Why we are writing 1 here? Because 3 के टेबल में 3 कितनी बार में? 1 टाइम्स में. So 3 minus 3 we will get nothing, 0. Now अब हमारे पास क्या बचा है? 6 बचा है. We will carry down this 6. So 3 के टेबल में 6 कितनी बार में? How many times we will get 6 in 3's table? We will get 6 in 3's table in 2 times. 3 2s are 6. So 6 minus 6 we will get cross, nothing. So our answer will be 12. Okay. Now I am going to give one question to you to do. Do this question. (48) divided by 4. Do this question. 48 divided by 4. Completed? Start from leftmost side. Okay. So we'll start from here. Now 4 के टेबल में do we get 4? Yes, we do. 4 ones are 4. So what we will do? We will write 4 below it. Now we will subtract. 4 minus 4 we will get nothing. We will carry down 8. Now 4 के टेबल में 8 कितनी बार में आएगा? In how many times we will get 8 in 4's table? 2 times. So 4 2s are 8. Now we will subtract 8 from 8 and we will get a cross here. So our answer is 12. This 12 is our quotient. This 12 is our quotient. Okay. Okay, now kids, as we have done practice of 2-digit number, now let us move toward our worksheet of 3-digit number. So our first question is 996 divided by 3. Our first question is 996 divided by 3. Let us do. So what we will do? We will start from leftmost side. At leftmost side we are having 9. So 9 3 से बड़ा है या छोटा है? It is greater than 3 or smaller than 3? Oh yes, it is greater than 3. So now we have to find whether we get 9 in 3's table or not. 3 के टेबल में 9 हमें मिलता है या नहीं मिलता है. Yes, 3 के टेबल में we get 9 in 3 3s are 9 3 times. So we will write 3. Now 3 3s are 9. We will subtract 9 from 9. We will get a cross here. Now we have to carry down this second number, which is again 9. Now 3 के टेबल में 9 आता है. Yes, 3 3s are. We will write 9 again and we'll put a cross. Then we are having another number 6 that we have to carry down. We have to carry down 6. Now tell me kids, do we get 6 in 3's table? Tell me, do we get 6 in 3's table? Yes, we do. 2 times 3 2s are 6, and again we will put a cross. So our quotient is 332. Our quotient is 332. Okay. Now let us do the next question. Next question is 969 divided by 3. Let us do it here. Our question is 969 divided by 3. What we will do? We will start from leftmost side. Okay. So at leftmost side we are having 9. So do we get 9 in 3's table? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Okay. So yes, we do get 9 in 3's table. Now what we will do? We will subtract 9 from 9. How much we will get? We will get a cross. Now we are left with 6. We will carry down this 6. Okay. Now, do we get 6 in 3's table? Yes. 3 2s are 6. Now what we will do? We will cross it out. Now we will carry down 9. थ्री के टेबल में क्या 9 आता है? Do we get 9 in 3's table? Yes. 3 3s are 9. So our answer is 323. Our answer is 323. Okay. Good job. Now again this question. In this question also we are having divisor as 3. So this question you will do yourself. Do this question. (993) divided by 3. Do this question yourself. Do this. Completed? Okay. So We'll start from leftmost side. We are having 9 here. So do we get 9 in 3's table? Yes, we do get. So 3 3's are 9. We'll put a cross here. Now we will carry down the next number, that is 9. Do we get 9? Yes. 3 again. We'll put a cross. Now we are left with 3. So we will carry it down. So how many times we will get 3 in 3's table? 1 time. Now 3 minus 3 we will get? Nothing. Okay. So our answer is 331. You have also got the same answer? Okay. Moving toward the next question. Our next question is 484 divided by 4. Our next question is 484 divided by 4. Okay, let us do this question. Do this question yourself. Very easy question. Do this question yourself. Start from leftmost side. Completed. Okay, let us do. So our first number is 4 here. So do we get 4 in 4's table? Yes, 4 ones are 4. Now we have to subtract. Now 4 minus 4, how much we will get? 4 में से 4 minus करके how much we will get? 4 minus 4 we will get 0. We will put a cross here. Now we will carry down 8. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. 2 times, at 2 times we will get 8. Now we will put a cross here. Again we will carry down 4. Okay, so 4 ones are 4. Now 4 में से 4 गया. How much we will get? We will get nothing. We will get a cross. So our answer is 121. You all have got the same answer. You all have got the 121 as your answer. Okay. Now let us do some selective question. Do this question. 862 divided by 2. Do this question. 862 divided by 2. Okay. 862 we have to divide it with 2. 862 divided with 2. Now do we get 8 in 2's table? Yes. 2 4's are 8. We will put a cross here. Now we will carry down 6. 2 के टेबल में 6 आता है क्या? Yes. 3 times. Now we have to carry down this 2. Now क्या 2 के टेबल में 2 आता है? हाँ, 1 times है ना. So our answer is 431. Now kids, we have completed 3-digit division by 1 digit without remainder. Tomorrow we will continue with some more exciting concepts. Okay.